Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be unboxing squishies and a dumpling and this with my sister. So we're gonna open it at the same time. She unwrapped it, but now I'm gonna unwrap it. That was not meant to be seen. All right, so we're gonna unbox it in 3, 2. Make sure to like and subscribe. No force. Mine's taped. All right, now we're gonna unbox them. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. No way. I got the blue one.
Mine had
Blue
holes on the bottom,
glitter.
but his did.
I'm so happy right now. Unboxing number 2. Like I was saying, I got the blue matching set. Now my sister's gonna peel it.
Guys,
3 mini ones.
but they're kind of creepy. Ew, look at the.
Gonna unbox it in 3, 2,
What?
1. Yo. She also has this one. I'm just squishing hers.
This I'm kind of.
Okay, what the heck?